Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This video is for CMA students. In this video, let us see how to fill and submit your exam application form for June 2022 examinations for CMA intern and for CMA final students. First, open the institute website. In the institute website, here you are seeing top examination. Tap on that. No, on the left side you are seeing online exam application form. Tap on that. Now again tap on online application, which is on the left side. Here you have to select your course. Tap on the select. If you are foundation, select your foundation. If you are intermediate, select on intermediate. If you are final, select on final. In this video we are seeing for CMA intern and CMA final. Now I am applying for CMA intermediate student, so I am selecting intermediate. The process will be same for CMA final also. Now tap on the click here button. Institute has given some of the instruction before you fill your examination form, and also given examination fee details. For intermediate, for single group it is 1200 rupees, for intermediate both groups it is 2400 rupees, for final single group it is 1400 rupees, for final both groups it is 2800 rupees. You can fill and pay this examination fee on or before 27th April 2022 without late fee, and also some more instructions are given, you can check them. So after reading them, tap on the accept button. Now you have to enter your current registration number here. After entering the current registration number, tap on the please check button. Tap again on click here. Now this dashboard will be opened. Here again tap on the click here button. So some of the details will be auto filled. Your address details will be auto filled, and also your first name, middle name, last name, your registration full name, everything will be auto filled. If you want to change your address details, you can change them. Now what is important is you have to select your examination city and also examination group and also syllabus. Here tap on if you are a CST, tap on yes, otherwise no, and have to select your examination city name. I am selecting here. To select your examination center name, and also select your syllabus. Since it is new syllabus, I am selecting new syllabus. And now you have to select your group. If you have applied for single group, you can select group 1. If you want to write second group, you can select group 2. If you are writing for both groups, select both. I'm selecting here group 2. And select the medium, course and mode of coaching. Then students check every detail you have entered is correct or not. After you rectify them, tap on the submit button. Now you have to select upload photo and signature. Tap on that. Here if it is displaying your photo and signature, no problem, you need not apply. Otherwise, even though if they are displaying, if you want to change, you can tap on the choose file. If they are not displaying also, you can choose file from in the gallery and you can upload from your mobile. So after that, you have to tap on the select on the payment mode. Select the payable mode here. We can choose net banking or credit card or debit card. Select the gateway, and since I have applied for the group 2, it is showing 1200 rupees. Tap on the pay now. So it is showing you like this. Tap on the pay button. Here it is asking you credit card or debit card or internet banking or QR or UPay. Select the mode of the payment and pay the amount. Here I am selecting the UPI. So guys, after your payment is done, you can check your status of your exam application form. It will show you application form submission is successful, and you can also tap on the print submitted form. Then it will show you like this your examination application details. So in this way you can apply for your examination form of June 2022 examination. This is for CMA intern and CMA final students. Please do share this information with your friends.